The next question, Lamin Jame from Gambia but living in Italy, he says, my question is it allowed to give charity to non-Muslims? I am in Europe and I see a non-Muslim family struggling to make both ends meet. Will I be rewarded if I help them? So the brother's basic question is that is it permitted to give charity to non-Muslims? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Mumtahina, chapter number 60, verse number 8, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not prohibit you from dealing with kindness and justice with those people who have not fought you nor have driven you out of your lands. Now the Mufassirin, the commentators, they say that one type of dealing with kindness and justice with the non-Muslims is by giving them charity. It is permissible for you to give charity to the non-Muslims if you see a family struggling, so then you can give these non-Muslims or this family charity, that is sadaqah. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that he is not a Muslim who sleeps with his full stomach while his neighbor is hungry. And the neighbor includes the Muslims as well as non-Muslims. So you can very well give them sadaqah, that is charity. In fact, one category of zakah, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions the categories of zakah in Surah Tawbah, chapter number 9, verse number 60, one category is mu'allafat qulubuhum, those whose hearts are inclined towards Islam. So if you see a non-Muslim, his heart is inclined towards Islam, he wants to accept Islam, even he can be given zakah. Normally zakah cannot be given to non-Muslims, but one category of zakah can be given to those people, those non-Muslims whose hearts are inclined towards Islam. So sadaqah, charity, normal charity can be given to any non-Muslim, whereas zakah can only be given to Muslims. One category of zakah can be given to those people whose hearts are inclined towards Islam.